Hello guys, this year in Italy we have abundance of figs, so I will try again to make a figs wine. Following your advice, because last time my figs wine was more a kind of vinegar. So be careful only to collect the ripe one, but not too ripe and not still green. So you need to touch them. Be careful also because the bee, the visp and other bugs are making a party on upon of them. Now I will show you. So please be careful. Now I collect a bucket like this. I stop by to collect few lemons and see you at home to make our fixed wine. So when you arrive at home, you should clean them a little bit. You remove the top where there is no sugar, it's only green. You check inside that they are good and you put in the pot. After you add half liter of water, the juice of 2 lemons, and we boil them because we want to kill all the wild yeast. If not like last time, instead of wine we make a vinegar. That is good, but it's not our goal. Today we want to do the wine. Waiting that our figs start boiling, I can show you another technique to sanitize your fermenter. You can use the alcohol. This is pure natural alcohol. In Italy is the one that we use for liquor. Is ethanol alcohol, 96% of alcohol, so it's pure alcohol. If you cannot find it, maybe in the States you find Everclear, or you can use vodka or any kind of liquor that you have at home. So up to you. I will put 3-4 tablespoons inside the fermenter. I will shake everything very well, and after I will collect again the alcohol through the tap. And the one that remains you can save it and use the next time. You can do the same with the densimeter. You can put it in the airlock, like advice always. And all the tools that you use, you cannot boil it, you can use the alcohol. And this one that remains you can use for the next sanitization, or you can put in the airlock. Usually I use different liquor because they are not transparent and it's easier to show you in the video. So up to you. Now I will check if our figs are boiling. After 10 minutes that they are boiling, we can add 1 liter of water at room temperature. We stir very well and we filter directly in the fermenter. You can use this part to make a fig jam. You find the recipe here on the channel, or you can use it when you make other jam. Maybe strawberry jam, you can add a little bit of these boiled figs, will help the jam to be more thick. Now we check the original gravity and after we add the yeast. Original gravity 1044, so it's a little below, more than wine. I will call it fixed cider. So again, this fixed wine is impossible to make it. I don't know, probably I will give up. Now I add the yeast, I close my fermenter with the lid, should be really sealed. On the top the airlock, when the fermentation starts, I will update you. 1 teaspoon of yeast for wine. I was putting the wine in the bottles, my last 5 liters of Primitivo wine that I aged with the wood inside the bottle, and the fixed wine start already fermenting in less than 2 hours. So I will update you when the fermentation finish, because we should put our wine in the bottles. After 1 week, like you can notice from the airlock, the fermentation is done. So now we can check the final gravity. That is 996. If you remember, the original gravity was 1044. The difference is 48 divided by the coefficient 7.5. At the moment the alcohol content is 6.4 plus the sugar that I will add inside. I will add 5 grams of sugar because my butter are half liter. The final alcohol content will be 6.9, so a kind of cider that is 7% of alcohol content. With this ingredient we have more or less 2 liters of wine. Now we should wait 1 week, 10 days for the re-fermentation in the bottles, and after, when the wine will be very sparkling, we will taste it. So see you for the tasting. Good, but not spectacular. It's always a little bit sour. So very fresh, very sparkling, but maybe you can use the fix to do other recipe. And plus this is the last time, because 1 bottle explode here in my wardrobe where I store all my bottles. So was a mess. This is a sign. So the other recipe that I will do in the future with the figs, because I collect other figs, will be different, because one kind of figs I will use to pickle them, and the other I will follow a Greek recipe, making them candied or sweet to put on the ice cream, but the pickles are perfect with cheese and meat. So if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe. In this way you will not miss any recipe. If you like this kind of video, please share with your friends and leave me I like it. I give a wine another try. It's good because it's fresh, but the taste is like kombucha, so not so spectacular. Okay guys, see you in the next video.